This is a quick review of the Happy Nut Starter Pack, and it comes with this overnight bag. This is a 3-compartment bag. You got 2 big compartments on the top with zippers, and they got this faux leather, fake leather tab, and then of course you've got a front pouch here that you can throw some stuff in if you'd like to. It goes all the way down. And then of course you get your body gel. This is the Big Wood. It is 14 ounces, made in the United States. This is actually a really good product. It lathers up really well, and I love the smell. They call it Big Wood with giant sequoia extract. And it's got, I don't know if musky is the right smell explanation, but it's got kind of that woodsy. It just smells good when you're done, unlike a lot of the other stuff that's out there. This is interesting because this is essentially, as I'm understanding it, they call it the Comfort Cream. And how many ounces is this? This is 3.4 ounces. It's got sweat protection, odor neutralizing, anti-bat wing, prevents chafing, which I think would be the key aspect of this. I really don't have any issues chafing. Typically I use this while playing pickleball, or I'll use the powder while playing pickleball. I've used this a couple of times, really didn't notice any absorption like I noticed the powder. I've gone through a couple of bottles over the years of the powder, really excited about the powder, and this is their comfort powder. It's the Happy Nuts Comfort Powder. It is talc and aluminum free, 6 ounces, made in the United States also. And this is really nice. It says here it's got a manly scent. For me, I don't really smell anything. I mean, it does have a little bit of a scent, but it's not too strong. One of the things I have noticed with the product is that it's got very small openings because the powder is very fine. Especially compared to other nut powders that I've used. This is much finer than that. The other thing I've noticed, if you're like me, I like to just open up my drawers, drop it in there. The lid gets in the way sometimes, but other than that, super easy to use. Love the product, love the branding. Again, this is their starter pack, a perfect gift for that man in your life.